Now I'm going to teach you how to navigate ebooks using Tyler's Library website. You click here, then you go to resources and choose ebooks collections. Now you need to type the keywords that you want to search. Let's say I want to search book about branding. Click enter. Now you got the results around 600,000 results about the book which has the keyword of branding. See, you got all the results here. And click next when you want to see other results. And the menu here is when you want to filter the results. Let's say you want to search the results only from magazines. So you check the box here. So all the results are just from magazines because you have filtered the results. And there are also other things when you want to filter, like trade publications, academic journals, news, and so on here. Now I'm going to teach you how to use advanced search. Click here. Okay, so this advanced search is useful when you want to search a book that has more than one keywords. Let's say I want to find the book that has two keywords, which is branding and color. So you have three options here, and, or, and not. The first option is when you want to find the book that has two keywords on it. So you will get the result of book that has keyword of branding and color. Let's see. So here you got the results about branding, color, branding. Each book has two different keywords: color branding, and so on. So you have around 189,000 results. And the second option, which is OR, is when you want to find a book that has two keywords and a book that has one keyword. So you will get the results of one book which has keywords of branding and color, and one book that has keyword of branding only, and a book that has keyword of color only. So let's see. Here you got all the results about. First, you got the result of a book that has two keywords, which is branding and color, and you will get the book that has only one keyword, which is here. You can see only branding, and here you see only color. So basically you got three different books, and the last one is not. This is useful when you want to find a book that has keyword of branding but not color. So when you search, The results will be the book that has only one content, which is branding. You won't see color. You won't see color because you type color in Note. You won't see color. Only branding that you see. Okay, so that is the tutorial.
Now I will use the Taylor's Library ebook center to talk about the basic search and the advanced search. Basic search is just type the keywords and search. First search as basketball, and you can see too many results here. It's all about the basketball. Such as basketball game. You also can get too many results. So many results here. But this result is all talk about the basketball and the game. Yeah. But if you want search more relevant result, you can use the double question marks to search, such as basketball game and double question marks. Yeah, and then you can see this is more relevant result here, and just have 1,600 results. Not only that, base search also can use the asterisk to search, such as basket. Oh, the internet is very slowly today. Yeah, you can get all about the basket, such as this basketball game, and so on. Yeah, it's too many. And not only that, and you can use the Boolean operator to search, such as you can search basketball and football. Now you can see the result is all include basketball and football. But if you use basketball or football, if you use all, you can find the result is can be just football, just basketball, or football and basketball. And that is the basic search. Now I will talk about the advanced search. Advanced search actually almost same with basic search, but it's different is you can choose the keywords or the title or the series title, the writer, and so on. Yeah, search basketball. You can see the result is also include basketball. Its title have basketball or the text have basketball. And if you search like that, keyword and the title also is basketball. So you can see the result. It's the title and the text all include the basketball. sorry. And not only that, the advanced search also you can choose the year, the language, the format, and so on, whatever you want to choose. And this is the advanced search. The difference between the base search and the advanced search is amount of choice for limiting the search. The base search allows you to limit by material type, but the advanced search you can add the option to limit by language, the publication date, and the publisher, and so on. You want to choose, and that is the basic search and advanced search.
Okay, I'll be explaining about the searching techniques using the chosen platform that we're using. So the techniques I'll be explaining will be exact phrase searching, boring operators, and the truncation method. So for the exact phrase searching, it uses the quotation marks, these two symbol, to search for the exact keywords that included inside of the quotation marks, no matter how many words you type in. So example, like you want to search for fashion show. Oh, sorry, fashion show. 116,000 of results. So it contains of fashion, or either show or fashion show, 3 kinds of keywords. So you can narrow down by add the fashion show into the quotation marks. So it will narrow down to 1,400 of results. So yeah, for the truncation method, so it uses the asterisk symbol, this little star symbol. So the symbol enables different forms of a word to be searched simultaneously. So for example, you want to search for Canada or Canadian in the meantime, so you can just type in the word like this. So you can get results of either Canadian or Canada among all the search results. Yeah, so that's for the truncation method. So for the boring operator, there's 3 searching methods for the boring operator. There will be and, or not. So and limits the search results. So and or expand your search result, which not exclude specific keywords from a search result. So for and, for example, you want take fashion for example. So fashion, and you want red color. So fashion and red, you get 92,000 results. So if you want to add more color, so you prefer red and blue and yellow in the same time, so you get 42,000. Yeah, it narrowed down. After that, for all, you can like fashion or red. So your result contains of fashion, either fashion or red or together. So if you expand your results like a lot, so yeah. So for not, for example, you want fashion but without the red color, or so you got 25,000 results. So if you can further narrow down the result, you can still add in like the not word, like different color or different keywords that you don't want to be in the content of the search result, the books you want, it will further narrow down your results. You can still use these techniques with the refined search, so to get what you actually want. Yeah, so if you forgot how to use the techniques, there will be when you just click the top right button, the search button. So here you have some little brief of the the techniques that you can use in this ebook, the e-library. Yes, that's all.